The moment Arai's Qureshi realized what he had just seen, his heart didn't just skip a beat, it stopped entirely. His breath caught in his throat, his fingers froze around the rusted maintenance key, and the world around him seemed to collapse into a deafening silence. He hadn't meant to open that door. He hadn't meant to step into a moment that wasn't his. But in that single accidental glance, everything he thought he knew about his life, and his place in it, began to unravel. Before we dive deeper into Arai's unforgettable story, take a second to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, Kindness Verse, if you believe in kindness and second chances, because stories like this remind us just how powerful they can be. Arai's Qureshi was not the kind of man life had been gentle with. At 32, his face already carried the weight of years that had asked too much from him. His mornings began before sunrise, not because he wanted them to, but because responsibility demanded it. His 6-year-old daughter, Meher, was his entire world, a fragile, bright-eyed girl who had already learned to smile through absence. Her mother had left when Meher was just a toddler, disappearing into a life that had no room for motherhood. Since then, Arai's had become everything: father, mother, protector, provider. He worked as a maintenance supervisor in one of the most luxurious high-rise residences in the city, a place where people like him were invisible. He fixed leaking pipes, repaired flickering lights, and ensured everything functioned perfectly for those who never noticed him. The residents were billionaires, CEOs, celebrities, people whose lives were so far removed from his that they might as well have existed in another universe. Yet Arai's never complained. Every exhausting day, every aching muscle, every sleepless night, it was all for Meher. Her laughter was his reward. Her small hand in his was enough to silence every doubt. That morning had started like any other. A complaint had come in about a malfunctioning air conditioning unit in one of the penthouse suites, Suite 47A. Arai's had grabbed his tools and headed upstairs, unaware that this routine task would become the turning point of his life. The penthouse floor was eerily quiet, as it always was. The carpets muffled his footsteps, and the air smelled faintly of expensive perfume and polished wood. Arai's reached the door, knocked once, twice, no answer. Assuming the resident wasn't home, he used his maintenance key, as protocol allowed. And then it happened. The door opened just enough for him to step inside, and in that instant, his eyes fell upon a scene he was never meant to witness. A woman stood near the floor-to-ceiling windows, sunlight pouring over her like liquid gold. She had just stepped out of the shower, unaware of his presence, her silhouette framed by the city skyline beyond. Arai's immediately turned away, his entire body stiff with shock and embarrassment. His heart pounded violently as he stumbled backward, nearly dropping his tools. He shut the door as quickly as he had opened it, his mind racing, his face burning with guilt. But what shook him wasn't just the accidental intrusion, it was who the woman was. Zara Vance. The name alone carried weight. She was one of the youngest self-made billionaires in the country, a tech mogul whose innovations had transformed industries. She was admired, feared, and envied in equal measure. Her life was a fortress of privacy and control, one that Arai's had just unintentionally breached. For the rest of the day, Arai's couldn't focus. His hands trembled as he worked, his thoughts consumed by the incident. He feared losing his job, feared consequences he couldn't even begin to imagine. For someone like him, a mistake, even an innocent one, could cost everything. But what he didn't expect was what came next. The following morning, he was called into the management office. His chest tightened as he walked in, already preparing himself for the worst. But instead of anger or accusations, he found something entirely different. Zara Vance was there. She stood by the window, composed and calm, her presence commanding yet strangely quiet. Arai's kept his eyes lowered, unable to meet her gaze. He began to apologize, his words stumbling over each other, but she raised her hand gently, stopping him. There was no rage in her expression. No humiliation. Instead, there was something far more unsettling: curiosity. In the days that followed, Arai's life began to shift in ways he couldn't understand. Zara didn't report him. She didn't demand his dismissal. Instead, she requested him, specifically, for maintenance tasks in her suite. At first, Arai thought it was a mistake. But it wasn't. Each time he entered her home, he was careful, distant, professional. Yet he couldn't ignore the subtle changes. Zara would ask him questions, not about his work, but about his life. About Meher. About how he managed everything alone. And slowly, something unexpected began to form. Zara, who had built an empire with ruthless determination, had never truly known warmth. Her life was filled with achievements, but empty of connection. Arai, with his quiet strength and unwavering love for his daughter, represented something she had never experienced, something real. For Arai, the situation was confusing, even uncomfortable. He didn't belong in her world. He knew that. But every time Meher laughed because of a new book Zara had sent, every time their fridge was mysteriously restocked with groceries they couldn't afford, he felt something shift inside him. Gratitude. Fear. Hope. One evening, Arai returned home to find Meher drawing at the small wooden table. She looked up at him with a smile so pure it made his chest ache. He realized then that life wasn't just about surviving anymore. Something had changed. The endless struggle, the constant exhaustion, it was beginning to lift, replaced by a fragile sense of possibility. But with that possibility came a question he couldn't ignore. Why? Why would someone like Zara Vance care about someone like him? The answer didn't come all at once. It revealed itself in small moments: the way she listened, the way she watched him with a softness she never showed the world, the way she spoke about loneliness as if it were a language only they understood. And one day, our eyes understood. It wasn't about the accident. It wasn't about that brief, unintended moment. It was about what came after. It was about kindness, unexpected, undeserved, and life-changing. As the seasons shifted and the city moved on, Arai's life transformed in ways he never imagined. Opportunities opened. Stability replaced uncertainty. And for the first time in years, he allowed himself to dream, not just for Meher, but for himself. Because sometimes, the most life-altering moments come disguised as mistakes. And sometimes, a single accidental glance can open the door to a future you never believed you deserved. If this story touched your heart, take a moment to like, comment, and share. It truly helps spread messages of hope and kindness. And before we end, I have a special request. Comment: kindness changes everything. If you believe even the smallest act can transform a life.